Hi everybody! Today we'll be making a marble seahorse. Look at these pretty colors and stringy hair. Head to the library to pick up a craft kit that looks like this. Included will be a string, a small white circle that you need to cut out, a pink circle that you need to cut out, a fin for you to cut out, and a paper seahorse with small holes punched along the edge. We will use that part later. From home, you will need a pair of scissors, something with a tip, a pencil, a paintbrush, toothpick, fork. I'm using a paintbrush, and I'm only going to use this tip. You'll need some different colors of acrylic paints. I have purple, pink, blue, and yellow. Some shaving cream, and something to hold your paint and shaving cream in. I'm using a paper plate, and I definitely should have used something bigger. The first thing you're going to need to do is cut out your seahorse. Now take these other cutouts and just set them aside because we won't need them until later. Same thing with the string. Now it's time to get your paints ready. Take your container that you're going to put your paints in and squirt some shaving cream. You'll need enough to fill the bottom of your dish. Now is the fun part. Get your hands in there. Spread the shaving cream along the bottom of your dish. And now it's time to go wash my hands. Okay, my hands are all clean now. You're going to take your paints, give it a little drizzle of each color. Now, you're going to take whatever your tool is and just make some swirls. Mix those colors up so it has a marble effect, but you don't want to mix them too much or it'll turn into a brownish color. Now you're going to take your seahorse and press it down in the paint. Don't swirl it around, just press down and count to 5. Lightly pull it up. I had to do this a second time to get the bottom of his tail. Press down. Count to 5. Lightly pull up. I have a few blank spots, so let me try to dip that back in. I'm going to get these spots now. With my finger dipping into the paint and swirling it on. You're going to leave your seahorse for about 3 hours. This allows the shaving cream to deflate. While I wait, I'm going to clean up my mess. Now I'm going to grab those slips of paper from before and cut them out. Here's the white part of his eye. I can leave it like this or I can use a marker. Now I'm going to cut out his fin and cut out his pupil. Now I'm going to grab a glue stick and glue his pupil onto his eye. Get some glue on there and stick it on. Now my Seahorse is nice and dry and has some really pretty colors. I'm going to add his eye and fin using a glue stick. You'll need lots of glue because the shaving cream adds some texture. Now you need your string. Thread your string through the top hole. Decide how long you want his hair to be and snip. Now you're going to tie a knot. Go ahead and do the same thing with the rest of the holes. Now that is done, you can clip his hair if you want to or leave it how it is. And here he is!